Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm very happy to see your smiling faces again. Welcome to NIV's Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I'm going to take a computer class for class 3 students. Our today's topic is Chapter 7, short question number 1 and MCQ from 1 to 5. So my dear students, open your computer book. This is your computer book and go to page number 50, Chapter 7, task pane. So let's start the class. First, let's see class 3. You are in class 3, subject computer, topic Chapter 7, short question 1 plus MCQ. Term manual, lecture 6, SW will be 5, teacher Ariful Islam, messenger Ariful Bari, and mobile number. This is my mobile number. So my dear students, let's start the class. So I have written in the board, write the use of eraser tool. So what is eraser tool? What is eraser? What do we do with the eraser? We erase the writing of the pencil with the erasers. So let's see, what do we do with the eraser tool in the computer? So write the use of eraser tool. So let's write the eraser, Y E capital. The eraser tool is a commonly COMMON, common LOI, commonly. So the eraser tool is a commonly used tool of the paint. So paint, P will be capital, and task paint, T capital, P capital. So task paint program, PROGRAM. Okay, PROGRAM. This program is also correct. One is British, one is American. No problem. So there is a tool is a commonly used tool of the paint and task paint program, and this tool is used. This tool is used for erasing, ERASING. This tool is used for erasing any part of the drawing. So I've finished writing. So the question is, write the use of eraser tool. Answer: the eraser tool is a commonly used tool of the paint and task paint program. The tool is used for erasing any part of the drawing. I'm repeating again. Write the use of eraser tool. Answer: the eraser tool is a commonly used tool of the paint. Don't give a dash there. I have given this one to show you the capital letter. Paint and task paint program. T and P will be capital. Task paint program. This tool is used for, I'm correcting this one. This tool is used for erasing any part of the drawing. I'm repeating for the last time. The eraser tool is a commonly used tool of the paint and task paint program. So I have written before this number, the tool. This will be this tool. This tool means the eraser tool. The eraser tool, but this tool is used for erasing any part of the drawing. Okay. So let's come to the MCQ. You know, we didn't do the SW of chapter 7. So your SW will be, look at the SW 5, submit on Sunday, chapter 7, SQ1. I have written the question in the board, and MCQ 1 to 5. Let's read. Number 1. Task pane, task program can be opened from toolbox, start button, file menu, none of these. Number 2. Which of the following is a part of task pane? Drawing canvas, drawing area, ribbon, all of these. With which tool we can erase some part of a drawing? Brush tool, eraser tool, pencil tool, ribbon. Number 4. In task pane, we can select color from brushes, ribbon, color box, none of this. Task pane has many dash kinds of brushes in the magic tool. Similar, different, same, alike. I am repeating for the last time again. Number 1. Task program can be opened from toolbox, start button, file menu, none of these. Number 2. Which of the following is a part of task pane? Drawing canvas, drawing area, ribbon, all of these. With which tool we can erase some part of a drawing? Brush tool, eraser tool, pencil tool, ribbon. In task pane, we can select color from brushes, ribbon, color box, none of this. Number 5. Task pane has many dash kinds of brushes in the magic tool. Similar, different, same, alike. So, my dear students, do your assigned SW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm in the school library. You will also collect those copies on Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm from the school libraries. You know your SW is very important. Why? Because we are giving SBS, CT and diary mark on the basis of the submission of your SW copy, and we are giving 2 points for a mark each of your SW copy. Your guardian or anyone else can come to school for collecting and submitting the SW copies. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. About your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.